Welcome. We'll be talking about some cutting-edge technology and how you can use it to promote yourself, your business, your community, or your cause on TV, secure a massive audience, and become a trendsetter, all while putting some money in your organization's pocket. Please feel free to pause this video at any time to better explore the statistics and information provided. People are moving away from cable TV in record numbers, and as they cut the cord to cable, individuals and businesses who rely on visual media to promote themselves are looking for other ways to reach their target audience. Let's take a look at some statistics to see who is watching streaming media. Millennials spend about 7 hours a day watching media on their phones. Half of U.S. adults over the age of 18 use at least one streaming service, and many have access to several of them. People are interacting with their media. 2/3 of people turn to a secondary device to get additional information about something they've seen on TV, and more users prefer in-app interactivity, the ability to learn more about what they see, or even buy it, by clicking an icon on their TV screen. The use of traditional TV has dropped in favor of streaming media, and women tend to stream more programs than men. So what is the best way to get in front of this changing audience? Advertising on social media like Facebook, although quite effective, can also be quite expensive. And pay-per-click campaigns can be even worse. You pay every time someone clicks on your ad, whether they buy from you or not, and the cost to get at the top of search engines can be astronomical. Instead of paying others to advertise on their channels, why not have your own network instead? Smart TV Networks is in the business of helping people and organizations get the exposure they deserve. So whether it's your community, your business, or your talent for juggling or singing, we want to help you promote it to as many people as possible. Smart TV Networks allows you to publish whatever content you want to several platforms, including Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and dozens of other platforms. Our developers are constantly improving the software so we can reach more and more people through new and existing media platforms. Many sources say that Roku is the fastest growing streaming network available. Roku currently streams to over 38 million users each week in over 32 million households in 23 countries. An average Roku viewer spends over 50 hours each month watching streaming television. Amazon Fire TV would challenge those who say Roku is number one, as Amazon Fire TV claims over 34 million active accounts and a presence in 80 countries. Amazon Fire TV also has the ability to connect via the Amazon Echo device. Apple TV is the new kid on the block, but if their loyal followers decide that they want to stay true to Apple, then Apple TV will be a contender for the title soon enough. Apple TV is at a bit of a disadvantage, however, because in order to publish to their platform, you have to be a certified Apple developer, and most people aren't. So competition to their viewers is limited, which only means good things for you. These are some of the platforms where you can currently live stream using our services. You'll note that the list includes your website, which means that you can allow people who already visit your site to see your live streams, whether they have a streaming television device or not. But don't worry, you won't have to compete for airtime with these big boys. As existing networks continue to move toward offering streaming options, you will have your own niche. Your network is all about your local community, nonprofit, business, products, talents, or niche. So you will draw the attention of viewership of the locals. But since your network is available worldwide, you will also garner exposure from people all over the globe who want to know more about you. It used to be tough to get on television, let alone have your own station. There were all sorts of barriers in the past. You had to pay a fortune for qualified people to run the network. You had to have a building to house your operation, and you needed to invest a small fortune to get everything up and running. But now you have us. Smart TV Networks has done all of the hard stuff for you, so now all you have to do is take advantage of our hard work. We will provide you with the software you need to publish and maintain your own streaming network, so you can publish it to any of our dozens of platforms. You also receive our full support, as well as the technical support of the people who developed our software. You will also receive all updates to the software at no additional cost. So you are assured to have the latest version publishing to the most recent platforms at all times. You also have the opportunity to coordinate your new network with our website service. We can build you an SEO optimized website with e-commerce capabilities that is fully integrated with your new network and its programming. so your viewers can make in-program purchases while watching your programming. As indicated earlier, 2/3 of people who use streaming media prefer to be able to interact with it, and your network has those capabilities. To say that our software is automated is a bit of an understatement. All you have to do is to provide the content, and the software does pretty much everything else. It will append your main video with an introduction, a credits video, or attach an outro to the end. It will resize it, classify it, pull metadata, create a thumbnail image, upload the video to our hosting platform, and update all of your channels with the click of a mouse. All you have to do is to provide the content. And it doesn't even have to be video content. We have the ability to upload audio as well. We just put a single still image with it so people aren't staring at a blank screen, and you can publish podcasts if you choose to do so. The content you provide is only limited by your imagination. You can feature businesses or products, post local meetings, do restaurant or movie reviews, broadcast live sporting or government events, stream parades and festivals. The possibilities are truly endless. And if you cannot come up with your own content, we can allow you to use some of ours. With InstaChannel, we can set you up with a fully functional TV channel in your market or niche, with certain exceptions, and integrate it seamlessly with your website, unleashing all kinds of e-commerce applications. Now that you know about all the stuff that having your own television network can do for you, the exposure, the prestige, and the income that it will generate, you're probably asking yourself, sure, but how much is all of this going to cost us? And the answer is, it depends. It depends on how much money you want to make. We have two options for you to consider. With option 1, you pay a monthly fee, but you get to keep all of the advertising revenue. And with option 2, you pay a small monthly hosting fee, so you have very little risk, but you only get a percentage of the advertising revenue. Either way, you get the opportunity to have a state-of-the-art streaming television network on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and Apple TV. You get the ability to live stream to over 35 different platforms. You get software that allows you to do this easily and efficiently. You get outstanding technical and marketing support, including all software updates for free. You can actually get paid to do all of this. You can present a consistent presence across all of your marketing platforms, and you receive the gratitude of your community, your customers, and your peers to boot. So which way do you want to go? You win either way. It's just a question of whether or not you want more reward for a little bit of risk. We look forward to sharing more about this revolutionary approach to marketing. So please give us a call, and we will answer any questions you may have.